In front of me is Doogee S70, and let me show you how to change video quality on this device. So at first you need to locate and open your camera app, then switch to video mode, and now slide left to open more, click on camera settings, and here you will notice resolution and quality. Mark it and pick back and from camera quality for video. And here you can smoothly manage it, so pick the resolution that you would like to record your videos in. As you can see, it can be changed super quickly and easily, so you can switch between modes whenever you want to, and all the time actually. Then you will be able to record in this new video mode. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.